channel, Marhaba, I'm Miss T, and today we're going to be having lesson number 2 in our basic Arabic tutorial series. Let's begin! Today we'll be learning fruits and vegetables in Arabic plus additional phrases to learn. Let's begin with the word fruit. How do you say prutas or fruit in Arabic? It's fuwak, fuwak. Now let's begin with the types of fruits. Grapes or ubas, it's anab, anab. Pineapple, it's ananas, ananas. Apple is tufa, tufa. Watermelon or pakwan, it's batik, batik. Strawberry is feraula, feraula. Banana or saging is muz, muz. Cranberry or any type of berries for that matter, you say tut, tut. Lemon is just laymun, easy peasy. Fig, tin, tin. After tin, it's livin. Joke. Orange, you call it bortukhal, bortukhal. Peach, it's khuk, khuk. Pomegranate, it's called roman, roman. Now let's go on with the type of veggies. First of all, how do you say vegetable in Arabic? Gulay in Arabic is khudar, khudar or khudra, khudra. Type of vegetables, we have the carrots. What is carrot in Arabic? It's jazar, jazar. Cucumber or pepino is called khyar, khyar. Coriander, kuzbara, kuzbara. Garlic is called thum, thum. Onion, basal, basal. Potato is simply batata. Easy, yeah? Spinach is called sabanach, sabanach. Different dialects, they pronounce it in different ways. So some people call it sabanach, some people say sabanag. Broad beans is called ful, ful. Radish, they call it fijil, fijil. Cabbage is malfuf, malfuf. Corn, dhura, dhura. Lettuce is simply khas, khas, khas. Beans is called fasulia, fasulia. Eggplant is called badinjan, badinjan. Okra or lady's finger is called bamya, bamya. Zucchini is called kusa, kusa. Pepper is called filfil, filfil. So that's it for vegetable, the basics of fruits and vegetables. And now we'll go on with some more extra phrases. Let's begin with the word thank you. Thank you in Arabic is shukran, shukran. If you want to say thank you very much, maraming salamat. Shukran jazilan, shukran jazilan. Sorry in Arabic is afwan, afwan. Yalla, yalla means let's go or come on. Tara, yalla. It's different with ya Allah. Ya Allah is like, oh my God. Ya Allah. Like when you're in despair or when something bad happens to you, you say, oh, just go. Oh my God. Ya Allah. You say wallah when it's like by God or it's parang minsan di ba sinasabi natin swear to God or ganyan. You say wallah. So when you say something wallah, wallah, I'm telling you the truth, wallah. Or you can do it in a question, you say wala. When somebody tells you a story, may nagkukwento sa'yo, and you want to say like, really? Like, cross your heart and hope to die, you say wala. Something to that effect. You will also hear them say Habibi and Habibti all the time. I know you guys in the Middle East, most of you know this. Habibi and Habibti. I think everybody knows that. Habibi is my dear or my love. And you say Habibti if you are referring to a lady, or if you're addressing it to a lady, you say Habibti. So yeah, that's it for our today's lesson. So I hope you learned something new today. And I hope you will continue to watch out for the next videos in our series of basic Arabic tutorial. Bye guys, Maasalama.